So this afternoon, we are here in Lathrop, California. And in this video today, we're checking out a hidden gem Filipino spot called the Blessed Kitchen.
Hidden gem. Ah! Don't put that in there.
I will put that in there. So never been here before, but saw on the Google reviews and maps and want to check this spot out. Interested in seeing what the Blessed Kitchen is all about. And I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now.
Hidden gem. Woo!
Blessed Kitchen, Lathrop, California, everybody. At this mobile gas station. Right there's the I-5, and here we are, the Blessed Kitchen.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. First time.
First time. Oh my God, I ran out of turon.
You ran out of turon?
Yes, usually
No.
if it's the first time, I usually give a turon.
Oh really? That's okay. Well, I need the next
I owe you then.
the next best thing then.
And
Okay.
then if you come Friday, Saturday, we have both. I ran out.
Oh, how about today's recommendation? What do you like?
You come after lunch. It's
Huh?
almost gone.
It's almost gone? It's okay. They got pancit. They got, is that Dinagoong?
Where do you live?
Bay Area. Is that caldereta?
This is goat.
Goat.
Ah, yeah, that's goat caldereta.
Goat caldereta?
Yeah.
Let's do a combo plate. Pork menudo. We'll do pancit.
Combo. So do you want, we have half rice, half pancit, like that.
Yeah, we can do that.
Half pancit.
Look, there's a line now. We brought a line with us.
That's a buko pandan.
Buko pandan? You want to try it? We'll try it.
Yeah.
Okay, salamat.
Thank you.
Okay, we're eating here. Let's see. Alright, so Safi's gonna open that one, these ones. I wanna pop this one open real quick. There it is, pancit with some rice. This is the pork. Did you say pork apritada or pork menudo? And here's the pork adobo. And they got a buko pandan here. And there you go. Alright, we got the pancit rice. Safi's going for it. I believe pork menudo. And then the pork adobo. I need to do first is I need to take a sip. A little parched. Alright. Alright, let's go. I think I'll go pancit first. Yeah. I'm gonna try the pancit by itself first. Let's do that. Okay, pancit time. Here we go. Pancit's good. Yeah. Still warm. Silky. Nice and peppery, salty. Okay. No. That's just like rice noodly delicious. Carrots and some cabbage. Yeah, it's good. How's your? You tried it? Good? Another bite and then we'll move on. Okay. This is the pork adobo. Fork it real quick. Okay. Again, try it by itself first before we do any of the like rice or anything like that. Pork adobo. Yeah. Thick, meaty end, a little bit fat, but that flavor is terrific. A little bit of soy, there's some peppers in here. Yeah, I'll try it with some rice. Maybe chase it with the rice. Okay, we'll chase it. Oh. Okay. It's good with the rice. Definitely meaty bits, meaty chunks. Not bad. Okay, you have this pork menudo now. So I think this one, yeah, let's go ahead and try it by itself as well. Here. Might have to, I think there should be a good bite right here. The garbanzo bean action. There's some potatoes and carrots in here too, some bell peppers. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, tomatoey sauce. Matter of fact, kind of want to get a spoon for this stuff too. Yeah, a little savory potato and meat, and put that on the rice now. Yep, on the rice. Okay. Here we go. Oh. I like it with the potato. Oh, little starchy element. The same texture with that pork. Same as the adobo, like chunky pieces of meat. Yeah, not bad. What's up? This pork, menudo, pork adobo, pancit. And there's the dessert here.
Oh, wow.
Good. Yeah, just a adobo. You like it? Good. A little bit tender. She's going for that buko pandan dessert. Try this little melon, buko pandan coconutty jello. Okay. Ooh.
It's like a little more sour. Oh.
That's good.
Not the cocoa.
Yeah, that just like collapses. Like super soft.
Good.
Jello.
It looks unique.
Ooh.
It's better than other ones. They're not so sweet.
That piece there was more fat ratio. Must wrap.
Make that one.
Tasty stuff here. But one thing I'm eyeing some Valentina salsa picante. Let's try that on the pancit. Let's do that. Yeah. Add some pork menudo on top of that. All right, here we go. It's on top. And then you have that Valentina hot sauce already embedded in those noodles. All right. Ooh. Yeah. That enhanced the flavor of the pancit for sure. Just a little spice, a little tang. Just yummy with the pancit and the chicken pork menudo. Yeah. Blessed kitchen, a blessed meal. Alright, let's go. Salamat, thank you. Very good. Next time to run, right? That was the Blessed Kitchen. Again, off the freeway here in Lathrop, California. I think it's Lathrop Road exit. And if you crave some Filipino food, this is a spot. Maybe a local hidden gem spot. It's pretty good. Especially, I'm sure when you have like early in the morning or when they start things fresh made, I'm sure it'll be fantastic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, enjoy the bite life. Later.